Today we have a really cool Ferrari, a 2000 Ferrari 550 Maranello. It is Grigio Titanium with Blue Scuro Daytona seats. It's optioned quite nicely and 18,000 miles from new. Okay, here we are for our cold start. Now let's get on the road. Let's lower the handbrake. These really are, in my opinion, the modern Daytonas. I'm sure people are going to frown upon this, but we also have a 575 manual, which is pretty rare. But I think the 550s, if you find a really good one, are that little bit rougher and have a little bit more Ferrari. Not that they're not smooth, they're exceptional, but they're just a little bit more raw, and I like that. But then again, raw is a matter of, words, because here you go, automatic air conditioning, and oh my God, cold, and heater, and everything works great, and radio, and it has just enough. I love the dash layout because it is still reminiscent of the older models, the older Ferraris with the analog gauges. And what can I tell you? We're gonna warm it up a little bit and put it through its paces as we normally do. A lot of people say this is a GT car. I think it's an awesome GT car, but it's not. It's still that little bit rough GT sports car rather than total Grand Tourer, which is more reminiscent of a 456 or 612 Scaglietti. And it does handle extremely well. Just gonna warm it up a little bit more. Probably one of the best Ferraris ever made, in my opinion. Great V12 power, great brakes. It's a modern Daytona. It could be a cross between a 365 GTC4 and a Daytona. So that would make it absolutely perfect. Let's go down here. Combination of brute muscle and comfort. But they're just great cars all around and can be used from state to state, around town. Road holding is superb. Isn't a maintenance nightmare. It's got a nice radio. Again, the perfect gated shifter right in the palm of your hand. See that? You want the news? We got the news. You want music? We got music. You want it off? It's off. Basta. She's got just the right noise. Superb power. Great torque. Let's see her. It giddy ups. And it also slows down. So it is probably one of the most perfect all-around Ferraris ever made. I think I said that before, but I mean it. I absolutely love these. It is sometimes hard to find a very good one with proper miles and that's taken care of, because so many of them were used. Some used more and not taken care of as well. This one, right honey, is very happy. Has always been very happy. Been well taken care of, cared for, maintained, but used in proper weather conditions and seasonally. And as you can see, it's just happy. And I do believe this is the way Ferraris are supposed to be used. We're gonna turn right in here for our flybys, and we'll be right back to you. Well, those were fun flybys. In the comfort of our Italian home. Jason is motioning I should put the window up, and so it shall be. I'm gonna turn this down a little bit. It is lovely. But it was hot. Much better. As you can see, 4th gear, 5th gear, 6th gear. She'll cruise all day long. Not much else we could tell you about these. Get a little monotonous as we do these road tests, because 550 Maranello, what you see is what you get. Sporty, gentlemanly, ladylike. It's got all the finesse, yet it has raw power as well. And more than anything, it is docile around town. You can put your golf clubs in it. You can put your tennis rackets in it. You can put your wife, significant other, boyfriend in it. Go to dinner, whatever the case. It is one of the very, very, very best Ferraris ever made, bar none, in my opinion. So I hope you very much enjoyed this road test. I know I did. It's got all the right sounds, feel, and we look forward to giving it a nice new home. It's got some very, very nice, diamond pleated headliner. So bring on the questions for anyone who's interested. You know where to find us, and thank you for being on the road test once again.